Gaano nga ba kaaga dapat kayo pumunta sa airport? So, for domestic flights, golden rule na 2 hours before your flight, nasa airport na po kayo. Pero kapag mga weekends, kapag mga peak or may holiday, gawin niyo ng 3 hours. Most airlines like PAL or Cebu pa close their counters 45 minutes before take-off. Hindi natin gugustuhin ma-late po tayo. For international flights, mas maganda na mas marami tayong time. So, let's do 4 hours. Especially if hindi ka pa nagbayad ng tax, hindi ka pa nag-fill out ng e-travel form, kailangan mas maaga ka. Siyempre, kailangan din natin mag-allot ng time for immigration kasi may chances na masi-second interview pa kayo and during this time kailangan niyo magpasa ng iba pang additional documents guys and you really need more time para di kayo maiwan. Para iwas hassle guys, kailangan niyo na rin na siyempre mag-check-in na rin kayo online if kaya niyo rin. And of course, pakinggan niyo yung changing ng gates. Madalas talaga nagche-change yung boarding gate and for some reason talaga malayo yung agwat. Yun lang, safe travels!